Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to find your Salesforce license count. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or just getting started with managing your organization's licenses, understanding how to check your license allocation is crucial. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to locate this information directly within Salesforce. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Setup page in your Salesforce account. This is your hub for all things configuration and management. Once you're in the Setup area, look for the section labeled Company Information. This is where you'll find a wealth of information about your organization's Salesforce environment, including the license count. Now, scroll down past the initial sections. You're aiming to find the User Licenses Related list, which is typically located further down the page. This list is your go-to resource for details about all the different types of licenses your company holds. It's important to understand this section, as it provides insights into how many licenses you have, how many are in use, and how many are left. As you review the User Licenses Related list, pay close attention to the columns related to your specific license type, such as Salesforce. Each column provides a snapshot of crucial information. Let's break down what each column means so you can make the most of this data. The first column to note is the status. This column indicates whether a particular license is active or not. An active status means the license is currently in use, while an inactive status can signal that it's available for reassignment or needs renewal. Next, you'll see the Total Licenses column. This number reflects the total seats your company has purchased. Understanding this number is vital for planning, especially if you anticipate growth within your organization. It helps you ensure that you always have enough licenses to accommodate new users. The Used Licenses column shows how many of these licenses are currently assigned to active users. This is a key piece of information for tracking your current utilization. If this number is close to your total licenses, it might be time to consider expanding your license count to prepare for future needs. Finally, the Remaining Licenses column tells you how many seats are still available for assignment. This is a handy figure to keep an eye on, especially if your organization is rapidly expanding or if you're planning to onboard more users soon. It gives you a clear picture of how much room you have left before reaching your limit. By understanding these columns, you can effectively manage your Salesforce licenses and ensure your organization is always prepared for changes in user demand. Keeping a regular check on these figures will help you optimize your licenses and make informed decisions about acquiring additional seats when necessary. And there you have it. You now know how to find and interpret your Salesforce license count. With this knowledge, managing your company's Salesforce environment becomes a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Salesforce experience. See you in the next video.